Good morning. Yes, students, today we will discuss that is chapter 11 data handling. Yes, this is the session 2. Yes, session 1. What we learn session 1? So, we learn session 1 in how to make a tally, number of tallies, how we will be counter tallies. So, here we studied about the colors. Yes, we studied about the balloons, then also vehicles and also animals. Yes, so these all we studied. So and also we will make, it means tallies, we did a tallies, number of tallies, how many number of tallies are, so comes in vehicles, then animals and also colors. Yes, so these all we studied in session 1. So in this session we will be studying that is exercise 11.1. Exercise 11.1. Yes, so first they can given here using the first letter, using the first letters of the days, a week, mark, tally. So these all we will be make a tally. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, so they can given here. First we will be using the first letter of the days, first letter of the days. For example, in Tuesday, no, this is a T is the first letter. So in Wednesday, W is the first letter. So here Thursday, T is the first letter. Yes, so first letter of the week, a mark tally. Yes, we will do, it means we will do a mark tally. Yes, so first we will be write down here first letter of the day. Yes, so okay, first letter of the day I'll write here S, M, T, W, then next F. Yes, so here we will make it. Here see students, so first we will take as Tuesday and Thursday, first letter T will come. Yes, only one we will take here. Same as Saturday and Sunday, so the first letter it comes is S. Yes, so only S we will take a once. Okay, so now we will do a tally marks. So yes, first letter which is the first letter is there, so we will take that first letter when we will do here. See, first one Sunday. Yes, we'll take one tally. Yes, next Monday, M will take one tally. Then Tuesday will take one tally. Then Wednesday will take one tally. Then next Thursday T it comes now here. So here T, so we'll do another one mark. Yes, Thursday. Then Friday will make a mark. Then Saturday, yes. Okay, so here we'll take a mark. Yes, here see, here 2, here 1, here 2, here 1 and here 1. Yes, so 2 of Sunday, 1 of Monday, 2 of here Thursday and Friday, Thursday and which one? Tuesday and Thursday. Here Monday and Sunday and Saturday. Yes, Monday, Thursday and Tuesday, Friday. Then next one Wednesday. So Wednesday and Friday. Yes. So these all we did the tally. So what we learn here? So we learn how to mark a tallies. How to mark a tallies only will take here first letter. That is first letter of the week. Yes, here S, M, T, W, T, then next F and S. Only we take first letter and we did tally marks. Yes, okay. So next question that is will go as That is second one. What they can given here in the exercise second question? Yes, second one. Observe the pictograph given below and answer the questions. That follow. Yes, so they can given here. Observe the pictograph, they can be given here. So we'll write now. Okay, so here observe the pictograph given below and answer the following. What they can given here pictograph? Yes, here. So they can given here games. Yes, so here games and here interested students. Interested students. So how many students are interested to do or to play a games? So first one cricket, the next one kabaddi, then throw ball, basketball, next football. Yes, so how many students they want to play a games? So here they can given here. First see the symbol of this face, or we can call as smileys. So the symbol of this smiley so represents this face of the students. Okay, or a symbol of that is represents one pictograph, or we can call as one pictograph represents two students. Yes, so in this tally we will studying here this like one pictograph, it represents two students. Yes, we will draw now here. So cricket, so here cricket 4 pictographs is there. This is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 4 pictograph is there. Yes, this is who's that is cricket students. Yes, so cricket want to play. How many are there here? 4 are there, but what they can given here? One pictograph, it represents 2 students. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, total 8 students. Yes, okay, so next one kabaddi. So kabaddi are they can play here. There are 3 students. So 3 pictograph, not a students, 3 pictograph. It represents here one pictograph represent 2 students. It means 2 plus 2 plus 2, totally 6. Okay. Next one, that is throw ball. Throw ball, how many are they can given here? 1 2. There are 2 pictograph they mentioned here. It means totally 4 students. Okay. Yes. Next basketball, only 1. That is 1 pictograph. So it means 2 students. Okay. Then football, there are 5 pictographs. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, okay. 1 2 3 4 5. It means 2 plus 2, how much? 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. There are total 10 students wants to play football. They are interested to playing. Yes. Here say in cricket how many members are interested to play here? There are 8 members. So kabaddi how many members? There are 6 members. Then throw ball 4 members. Then basketball, that is 2 members. It means only one is there. One represents 2 students. No, 2 students. Yes. So football, that is there are 10 students wants to play. That is what it is? Football. Yes, wants to play this game. Okay. Yes. Here we can understanding some of the fill in the blanks they mentioned here. Yes. Yes, we'll write these fill in the blanks. Okay. So first one, that is number of students who likes cricket. Yes, so who likes cricket? Yes, cricket how many members here? See, is there interested? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Totally 8 students are who likes the cricket. Yes, second one, that is number of students who likes kabaddi. Yes, so here how many interested to play a kabaddi here? 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. There are 6 members interested to play a kabaddi. Yes, next, number of students who likes throw ball. Yes, so how many interested to play a throw ball here? So there are 2. It means 4 students. Yes, see students, that is fourth one that can be given here. The game which is liked by maximum number of students. The game which is liked by maximum number of students is, yes, so the game which is liked maximum number of students means here, so the football. Which game that is football. Yes, so there are how many members they like here? There are 10 members. Yes, okay. The game, next one, the game which is liked by minimum number of students is. So minimum number of students means here only 2 members, that is basketball. Okay, so that is basketball. Yes, so how many members here? There are only 2 members. Yes, understood students this one? Yes, next one they can given here, that is which one? That is third question. Okay, so column A has Ritz guard, then lady's finger, ball, idli, apple, bat, mango, dosa, top, vada, pumpkin, kesari bath related items. Column B has the respective data tallies. Yes, now what we will do here, we will match A and B. Yes, so first one they can given here vegetable. In the A column, vegetable, fruits, food items, sports goods. Okay, so these all are in the A column. Okay, so what we will do now, so here they can given here, this is A, first 3 tallies, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, next 1, 2, 3. These are the tallies. Yes, first what we will do, we will matching. No, first we will, so before matching we will be count down how many vegetables are there, how many fruits are there, how many food items, and how many sports good. Okay, so first one we will see here, this is one of the, what it is, vegetable, Reed's gourd and a lady's finger. Okay, so that's, I will show a mark here, last 2. Yes, one of lady's finger and one of Reed's gourd. Okay, next one, that is here ball, then ball, where it is ball. Okay, that is in a sports goods, ball. Next idli is a food item. Okay, I will show mark here. Apple is a fruit. The next bat is a sports goods. Mango, that is also fruit. Dosa is one of the food items. Top, that is sports goods. Vada, food items. Yes, next pumpkin, that is vegetable. Then next kesari bath, that kesari bath is a food items. Yes, next these all are related. Yes, we will count now how many are there here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 are there. Yes, here see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12 of the items are there. Okay, so now we will be match. First what we will understanding here, how many are there here, vegetables 3, then fruits 2, food items 4, then sports goods 3. Yes, so we will show the mark here. First vegetables, how many are there? So vegetables, how many are there? 3. I'll show a mark here. Yes, so that can be showing a mark in the vegetable. Yes, they can be given here in the first one in your textbook. Next one, that is fruits. How many are there fruits here? 2. But in your textbook they can be mentioned only 1. Yes, so we'll make another one because they can be given here 2 fruits, apple and mango. 2 they can be given here. Okay, again one tally you will be done. Okay, so that is, I'll show a mark here 2. The next one, food items. How many are there food items? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I'll show a mark here 4. Okay, then sports goods, how many they can be given here? 1, 2, 3. Here see, I'll show this is 3. Yes, understood this one? Okay, yes, next one they can given here, that is fourth one they can given here, students. So they can be given collect the number of collect the details of students of your class who celebrates their birthday in which month of the year and represent it by a pictograph. But you are not there, they can be given here, represent it, no, they can be given here. So but you are not there, you are, means which whose birthday when it comes. So if you are there in the class, we will be do this one, but you are not there, no, so I will leave that one. Okay, so next one we are going, that is fifth one. Okay, so here fifth one, what they can given here, yes, so fifth one given below is a list of sweets which the students of third standard like observe tally table and answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Yes, first one they can given here. I'll write here sweets. Okay, so here tally marks. Yes, first one they can given here Kesari bath. Then next Mysore pak. Then jalebi. Then Dharwad peda. Next laddu. Yes, okay. So here they can given here tallies. So Kesari bath 2 students, Mysore pak 3, then jalebi 4, then Dharwad peda 4, then last laddu is 2 members. Okay, so here they can be mentioned here. So how many students needs wants to which type of foods? Yes, okay. So here they can given here, that is the number of students who like each food items. Yes, okay. Now we will see now, that is the number of students. Yes, number of students who like Kesari bath. Yes, so in number of students who like Kesari bath, how many members to interested to eat Kesari bath? There are 2 members, or as a 2 students they want to eat Kesari bath. Okay, yes. Next one, number of students who like jalebi. Yes, how many members wants to eat jalebi? There are 4 students. Yes, okay. Next, number of students who like Mysore pak. Yes, how many students wants to eat Mysore pak? There are 3 students. Yes, we'll write 3. Next, that is number of students who like Dharwad peda. Who likes Dharwad peda? Yes, see here, how many are they can given here? There are 4 students like to eat Dharwad peda. Yes, okay. Next, number of students who like laddu. Yes, so how many members, how many students wants to eat laddu? There are 2. It means they can be given here is 1 tally is equal to one student. Here 2 students want to Kesari Bath and 3 students want to Mysore Pak, 4 students want to Jalebi, and here 4 students wants to Dharwad Peda and 2 students wants to here Laddu. Understood? So they can be given it. Who likes more sweet? We will be mention the number of students. Yes, understood this one? Yes students, I hope you understood this lesson. So today this lesson is completed. Tomorrow we will see the next lesson. Thank you for watching.